Hello everyone, this is Parth signing in from Language Academy. Through this video, allow me to present to you a new framework for your PTE exam preparation. Many a times while teaching hundreds and thousands of students here in Australia and worldwide, we come across many students who want to get their PTE done as soon as possible. But where do they struggle is time. They do not have enough time due to their prior commitments, work, study and whatnot. We completely understand that. So with this video, we are presenting to you a practice for time series. Now this series will be focusing on 7 tasks where you do not need to spend a lot of time, but it can get you a decent score. But keep in mind that these only tasks won't get you the exact score that you're looking for, but it can enable you to spend your time more effectively. Now, what are these tasks? Listening, fill in the blanks. Listening, highlighting correct words. Summarize written text. Summarize spoken text. Retell lecture. Repeat sentences. Write from dictation. Now, your entire PTE exam is for 360, which is 90 in 4 sections. Now, these 7 tasks alone can give you 190 marks out of 360, which is more than 50%. So, you should be focusing on these tasks first, get them done, utilize your time properly, and then only move on to the other tasks where you need to spend more time and you need more feedback. So throughout this video, I please request you to follow each and every tips and tricks that we have laid out for you and a great foundation to prepare for your PTE exam. So in these videos, we won't be presenting to you the entire thing, the entire module. We'll be only focusing on the task where you can maximize your score. So if you have any questions, if you are struggling with your PTE exam, do leave us a message or give us a call. We are here to help you. Thank you.
Hi guys, I'm Pooja from Language Academy. I'm back again with a new strategy video for you. Today we're going to discuss about listening fill in the blanks, and there are a few tips I want to share with you guys. When it comes to listening fill in the blanks, it is one of the important tasks in PTE because it gives you 7 points for your listening and writing section. That's why it is quite important. You get 3 to 4 items in your exam from fill in the blanks. You get 4 to 5 blanks in each question. Let's talk about how to approach this task. So what happens in fill in the blanks is basically you will be given a paragraph or a passage on your computer screen, and there will be few blank spaces in that passage. There will be 4 to 5 blank spaces in that paragraph. So all you're supposed to do is listen to the audio that will be given, that will start, and listen to it carefully, note down the words, and later on when the audio is done, you just transfer the words onto the blanks. It is a simple task, but you have to be really careful about the grammatical aspect of this task. For example, the thing is you have to be really careful about the punctuation. You just have to make sure that if the word is a proper noun, then it must begin with a capital letter. And if the word begins after the full stop, then it must begin with the capital letter. There are also a few things like the words with s, es, like plurals and singulars. When you're confused about singulars and plurals, all you can do is to make sure, just read the line again, read the sentence before it again, and it will give you a clearer idea of what the word should be in the blank. You get 1 point each for each word that is supposed to be there in the blank, and provided that it is spelled correctly and it is there with the correct punctuation as well. So that's all for today. Thank you for listening, and if you have any queries, please let us know. Please don't hesitate to reach out.